Hello. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can install the right Pocket AI trading app on your smartphone. If this video helps, please like and subscribe. So if you don't know which is the right app to get from Pocket Broker, then let me show you how you can do it. But first, I'll uninstall this app. And once it is uninstalled, now head to Google Play Store if you're on Android, or App Store if you're on iPhone. For my case, I'm on Android, and therefore I'll go to Google Play Store here, tap on it, open, and then using this search bar, just tap on it and search the app by just typing in Pocket AI Trading like that. And if I search, you can see we have this app, Pocket AI. Here, tap on it, and you need to check the information about this app. Make sure it is from Pocket Investment LLC. And at the time of recording this app had a star rating of 4.2 with over 16,000 reviews, and the average size is around 4.6 MBs, so it's not a huge file. And currently this app has been downloaded over 5 million times. So by the time you're watching, this might have changed. And look at that, this is the logo. It has an AI which is different from the normal Pocket Trading app. So if you see these details, then you will know that you have the right app. To get it, tap on install, and this will download the latest version of Pocket AI Trading app and finally install it on your smartphone. Once the app has been installed, you can proceed and tap on open from here, or if you go to your apps. So let's go back. Now look at that, we have our app available. Now tap on it, and this is the opening logo. So that's how you can install the right Pocket AI Trading app on your smartphone. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.